Hey guys! I'm AI avatar Audrey from Wondershare Virbo. Recently, we've had the great honor to partner with the remarkable YouTuber, Kevin Stratvert, to bring you an informative and insightful tutorial video about Virbo. A huge shout out to Kevin for his invaluable contributions. Thank you, Kevin. Additionally, we also received some questions from Kevin's audience regarding Virbo. So in today's video, we'll pick out some of these queries and give you an answer. Let's get started. Question 1. Hello, I plan to buy the essential plan. How many videos can I have monthly? Is that okay to publish the video on media? Thank you for asking. Actually, there are two questions. Let me answer the first one. Currently, there are 3 plans in Virbo: Basic Monthly Plan, Essential Plan, and Pro Plan. As for how many videos can you have monthly, it depends on how long the video duration you made. With the Essential Plan, you'll get 45 minutes of credits annually. For example, if your video is 3 minutes long, you can make about 15 videos a year. If you need more, you can purchase our Pro Plan, which is with 300 minutes. Annually, especially, it is 15% off during our holiday sales. Now, you might wonder, what if 300 minutes aren't sufficient? Don't worry, you can easily acquire additional credits by clicking on Video Credits here. Then you can purchase extra credits. We hope these insights assist you in making an informed decision about your subscription choice. As for the second question, is that okay to publish the video on media? Our answer is definitely yes. Our AI avatars and voices are exclusively to us, setting us apart in the market. When you buy our product, you'll gain the ownership rights and can freely share the videos created with Virbo. Question 3. Does it have Cambodia language? Absolutely. In Virbo, we've got you covered with over 40 languages, definitely including Cambodian. When you navigate to the voice library, you'll discover a vast selection of over 300 voice and language options. If you don't want to spend time scrolling through options, simply enter Cambodian in the search bar, and you're all set to go. Question 4. Can I use this app on my phone? The answer is yes. Virbo is available on web, Windows, iOS, and Android. You can directly click the download link in the description below, or search Virbo AI on App Store or Google Play Store. You'll find us. Question 5. Can we add PowerPoint presentation slides into this app? At the moment, Virbo allows you to upload pictures, videos, and audio files. If you have slides, just convert them to PNG or JPG formats, and you can effortlessly upload them to Virbo. Here's an example. Click the Import button, upload your slide images, adjust the layers as needed, and voila, your presentations can come to life with our AI talking avatars. It's incredibly convenient, isn't it? Question 6. When exporting the video, what quality are you getting? Is it a 4K video resolution? Typically, the video resolution is set at 1080p. If you prefer a 4K resolution, opt for avatars in the fixed background collection. When you're ready to export the video, there will be a pop-up window asking your preferred export resolution. Then you can choose 4K option. That's all. Hope today's video helped you know more about Virbo. If you have other questions, feel free to leave us a comment. We'll collect them regularly and create a series of QA videos based on your queries. Stay tuned for the next video installment. See you there.